Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marista Basuma. I'm a student of Mohsin is my English learning. Now, I'm telling story name is the Face Race Party. The trees are excited. There is going to be a fancy race party at midnight. Prize will be given for the best dress and for the funniest dress. The big doll says, I'm going to dress up as the fairy queen. Pink cat says, I will be an elephant. Pink cat says, I will be an... All the toys laugh at this. The baby doll says it will be told to go as an elephant. I will walk backwards and wave my tail so that everyone will think I am walking towards them, waving my tongue. Said the pink cat. Teddy is worried. He can't decide what to wear. He feels a sweet smell. It is coming from the waste paper basket. He looks inside the basket. One of the children had eaten a banana and thrown the yellow skin there. Teddy gets an idea. He will be Banana Man. He goes to the baby doll in the banana skin. The baby doll likes the trays. Both of them go into a dark corner of the toy cupboard to finish the trays. They don't want anyone to know. All the trays look and look free. This evening, Teddy gets the prize for the funniest dress. The big girl wins the prize for the most beautiful dress Kate girls enjoy. Everyone claps. Then the toys begin to take off their fancy dress and part them away. But Jeremy Teddy cannot open his dress. The big doll throws the pink cat also. Then the baby doll comes. She pulls him out of the banana skin. The twins say goodnight to each other and go to sleep. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.